Hi, Daisy. What a pretty girl, doggy. Daisy. Gotta get up. Oh, stretch. And back there. See it over here? Come on, Daisy, get up. Treat? Does Daisy want a treat? Some popcorn? Do you want a treat? Do you want to go for a walk? Do ya? Do ya? Well, you're not gonna go. Ever. Ever again. I'm never taking you for another walk.
Yeah.
Nope.
Yes?
Never ever again.
We have to.
That's right. Go to sleep. You're a loser, Daisy. I'm just kidding. You're a winner. Look at you. You're a winner. You sure win at sleeping and lounging. Huh? Do ya? Daisy, you want to go for a walk? Daisy! You want to go for a walk? Okay, okay. Don't get too close to me with your breath. You're the baby? Where you going? Where you going? Uh-oh.